Hello and welcome to Broadway at the beach. You may recognize some of these vehicles as ride vehicles. Yes, that was also a ride vehicle being very loud. Ride vehicles from the Pavilion Nostalgia Park, which existed right over there. You can kind of see the sign still over there, but no more rides. Also, if we zoom in there, I don't know if you can see it, they put up a wood wall across the walkway, so when pedestrians are walking through Broadway at the beach, they don't have to stare at a vacant lot, because this construction update does not consist of any construction. It is paused at the moment, but it is neat to come over here and show you guys and gals these ride vehicles that have been sitting in the parking lot collecting dust and debris for quite some time. As I said earlier, these came off of the rides, the kiddie rides, as part of the Pavilion Nostalgia Park. Now if we make our way over here, you'll see there's more remnants. There is the Teacups Ride, which also was a part of the Nostalgia Park. If you look over there, you can see the airplanes with King Kong. And over here, the motorcycles from the kiddie motorcycle ride. Now, some of these rides did come from the Pavilion. I honestly cannot tell you which came from the Pavilion and which did not, but I have been told that some of them are originals. Now, if we come over here, there's a really interesting view of the pirate ship. Well, first of all, here is the mast and the, what is it called? That basket at the top, this thing. What do they call it? I can't remember. Comment down below. Let me know what that's called. Anyway, here's the mast from the pirate ship with the naked lady. And the pirate ship itself is back there. It's a skeleton of its former self at this time. Stripped away. I don't think that will be utilized again anytime soon. More pieces of the pirate ship. And as I record this, the official bird of Myrtle Beach is flying overhead. The helicopter tour helicopter. Anyway, I just thought this would be something neat to share with you all, especially those of you who may be familiar with these rides. Heck, there might be someone watching that actually rode on some of these ride vehicles if they were originals from the Pavilion. I really do dig those motorcycle vehicles right there. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this quick little peek at the remnants of the Pavilion Nostalgia Park. If anyone knows what the fate of some of these rides and their vehicles will be, comment down below. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts. If you actually rode one of these when you were younger, or if you had a child that rode on one of these, let me know too. I'm super curious. Let's share some memories, if you will, in the comment section. And until next time, everybody, take it easy.